Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you Drew Barrymore's beautiful kitchenware. As you guys know, I love all of her appliances. This is my newest one. I have almost her whole collection. So this is a 5-in-1 expandable skillet, and this is not sponsored. The color is white icing. It has an adjustable capacity of 5 to 7 quarts. It says it fits up to a 5-pound chicken. You can saute, steam, simmer, slow cook, buffet serve, and much more. It has a non-stick coating for healthy cooking. It also has a cast aluminum extender. It has a steam rack and also a lid rest. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, here's our skillet. As you can see, it's really pretty, the white icing. The B is in gold. So here we have our extender. So it can go from a 5-quart then to a 7-quart with this added on there. Inside you have your steam rack. You can remove that. You can see how big it is inside. In the back, you have your lid rest, and all you do is attach that in the back. Of course, you have your instruction manual, and the lid is really big. The handle is in gold. That's what it looks like with the lid on. And then you can also put the lid back here onto the rest, the lid rest. And here is the polarized plug. It's low, medium, medium, high, high, and off. And that plugs in to the side right here. So all I'm going to do now is wash off everything and make cheeseburgers. That's something quick, and I can see how good this skillet is. Okay guys, since I'm only making cheeseburgers, I removed the extender. I also don't need the lid or the lid rest. So I have the skillet on medium, and it gets hot really quick, so that's good. I have my burgers right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and place them into the skillet. And this is over medium heat. So now I'm just going to let them cook up. Okay guys, I'm about to go in and turn these over. It's cooking really good. And guys, I think this is cooking way better than in a frying pan. Okay guys, we're going to get ready to put our cheese on top and let it melt. Okay, I'm just going to put my lid over top so our cheese can melt. Okay guys, our cheeseburgers are done. Okay guys, so here's my cheeseburgers, and they came out perfect. The cleanup on this skillet is very easy. You won't burn yourself. They have nice handles on the side that are big and they don't get hot. So yeah, I would recommend this. Like I said, I have several of her appliances and they've been great. I love all of them. So guys, I've purchased a few more Drew Barrymore items, so I will be making a video for each. So I hope you guys stick around and come back. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.